Hi, I'm Paula.
And I'm Lisa.
And we're here today to talk to you about changing to healthier habits. And we know it's hard.
It's really hard, and we know this for sure because between the two of us, we've had 20 years clinical experience helping people achieve their health goals.
So we thought it was time to put something together to share with you what we teach our clients.
So we've designed an online program called the 40-Day Flip.
And it starts on March the 1st.
Now this program is designed for those of you who are looking to turn over a new leaf and change to some better and healthier habits.
So we will teach you simple and pragmatic strategies to help you do this in a sustainable way,
while supporting your own self-worth.
It is content rich, it's highly educational, and it's practically supported by us.
And so it's designed by a chiropractor, a naturopath, and using best fitness practice knowledge.
You'll be pleased to know the information is an online delivery.
And we also will be setting up a private Facebook group to offer support, answer questions, and also for us to all share experiences while we're going through the flip together.
So to be involved, you need to click the link below. That'll take you to a landing page that will explain what exactly is involved, what you need to do, and also the cost, which is probably a lot less than what you might think.
And once we have heard from you and you're registered, we'll be in contact with you to get you set up and ready to go on the private Facebook group also.
So we look forward to helping you flip to some healthier habits. See ya.